Thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining us here today at this grand summit of global leaders. So, can you please introduce yourself and say something about the important aspects of this forum today?
Sure. So thank you. My name is Andy Lien. I am the CEO of Linfinity. It's a Singapore-based company. We are very active in Korea, and we are very happy to be at the Global Leaders Forum this month. I felt that this conference is a very good conference. It helps a lot of traditional business understand how a blockchain is like. It also helps a lot of new startup companies like ourselves exposed to big companies like Intel, who is a part of my panel, Amazon, and of course Mr. Block Pierce as well. They inspire a lot of startups like ourselves. They give us a very clear roadmap as to how we should operate our business. So today in Korea at the Global Leader Forum is a very, very good opportunity for all of us.
As we could see in the forum also that, many leaders from the globe, many recognized leaders from the globe today participated and they opined their views talking about artificial intelligence and blockchain technology and how it is going to change the common life of the people, right? So, the world is, in a way, is observing Korea from a very inspiring, perspective. They are seeing Korea as an emerging market which is progressing by leaps and bounds day by day. So do you have to say something to the blockchainers in Korea for achieving the growth in blockchain area and as well as the artificial intelligence area?
I think Korea has been doing a fantastic job in terms of nurturing blockchain into their ecosystem. Countries should adopt and learn from them. Like Singapore, Malaysia, Southeast Asia in particular. We are smaller in size, but we are able to achieve a lot more together. So I hope Korea can be a very good example for us to follow. In terms of the area of AI and in terms of the area of blockchain, I think we have done a very good job. AI has been around for a while, and we have been seeing a lot of good projects that involves blockchain and also involves this artificial intelligence. So there will be more to come, and we are working very closely with the AI Tech Center in Gyeongbok with Professor Park. She is a strong advocate in the AI industry, and we hope to have more sparks with her in time to come.
So on a final note, we would like to listen something from your side, especially, some strategies that needs to be followed by the Korean counterparts, especially the startups who are observing and seeing, companies like Linfinity as a hope, as a great hope. So do you have to say something to the new blockchainers and startups, especially those who are looking for partnership?
Sure. I think maybe I should put it in a very simple way, is that there are a lot of companies, blockchain companies, they are thinking too big. They are thinking about changing the world, changing the industries. It's just too early. It's just too early to talk about all these things. So for startups like ourselves or many other startups that are in Korea, I believe we should do things step by step. If we can do things step by step with a logical mindset, I think we can create a lot more value in time to come when the technology is more mature. So that is my 2 cents worth, and I hope this can really help somebody.
So you want to say that rather than changing the whole ecosystem, the blockchain technology enthusiasts, they should be thinking about some changing their specific areas, right? Correct. Yeah, and by choosing those areas, we can work together and then new changes can be brought, right? Yeah. Recently, we came to know about the launching of DAP by Linfinity. So, do you have something to elaborate on this? Because we still do not know much about DAP.
We have been working on the DAP for a while, a couple of months. Our first DAP was being introduced in the month of October. It's with Scientific Tradition. It's a Singapore healthcare company. We are developing the second one with a Japanese brand. It's a hair care product. It's going to be launched very, very soon. Their information will be on the chain. Ingredient list, the expiry date, and so forth. All this information are able to obtain on the chain. So things will be a lot more transparent. Users know exactly what they are using for their hair products. So this is our interim DAP. We are going to launch something more advanced, more features definitely user friendly. It's just a couple of steps that we will announce a little bit more later, maybe in about 2 to 3 months' time. So we will have wine, we will have cigarettes, we will have more healthcare brands that we are onboarding. So this will be something very exciting for use case studies in time to come.
We will be looking very forward to the announcement. So is there any date of that? Like, has it been finalized?
Probably in about 2 months' time.
2 months.
2 months.
Oh. So I would like to request the viewers to wait for another 2 months, and we will be having DAP launched by the Linfinity. Thank you very much for joining the TVCC.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Your final words to our viewers who are watching you.
I'll see you in Korea very soon. Thank you.
Okay.